Kenneth Cooper Alexander, running for mayor of Norfolk. With the varied experiences as a small businessman, a former Civic League president, a former member of the Virginia House of Delegates, currently in the Senate of Virginia, as a member of the House of Delegates, the city asked me to draft the legislation, to carry the legislation, and to usher the legislation through the process. And ultimately, it passed both chambers, the House of Delegates, the Senate of Virginia, signed by the governor. And that very bill is the model that Norfolk is using today to directly elect its mayor. My plan not only includes career technical education, but more importantly, it includes identifying the services that's needed very early in a child's growth and development. This is the clearest way to get at the root of a child's challenges, is by assessing, evaluating, and providing the necessary wraparound services to rescue that child very early before it gets out of hand. Based on the number of reported crimes, right now we could use additional resources. Those resources could include manpower, equipment, include surveillance. Also, we need to have civic engagement, community policing, increased police presence in areas where there is high crime. We need people to take responsibility. We need the public to dial in. Boys and Girls Clubs and rec centers and to the public schools, even using the faith-based community to steer our kids in the right direction. We must get to our kids early and help deter them from getting involved in criminal activity in the first place through prevention, intervention, very early and often.